Welcome to Touchstone Infotech, the ultimate solution for elevating your real estate business to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned agent or just starting in the industry, our comprehensive marketing services are designed to help you succeed. In today's competitive market, staying ahead is more challenging than ever. That's where we come in. At Touchstone Infotech, we specialize in paid ads management tailored specifically for real estate professionals. Imagine reaching your ideal clients through targeted Google Ads campaigns that bring in quality leads ready to buy, sell, or invest. Our team of experts will create and manage Google Ads campaigns that are optimized for maximum ROI. No more guessing games, just effective, data-driven strategies that work. But it doesn't stop there. We know that timely follow-up can make all the difference in converting leads into clients. That's why we offer lead follow-up automation. With our advanced automation tools, you can ensure that no lead goes cold, helping you close deals faster and with greater efficiency. At Touchstone Infotech, we provide a complete real estate marketing solution. From paid advertising and lead follow-up automation to comprehensive marketing strategies, we have everything you need to grow your business and achieve your goals. Ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Book your free consultation today and discover how Touchstone Infotech can help you succeed. Touchstone Infotech, transforming real estate marketing one success story at a time.